my God. Oh! Oh, that's not good.
Leave it alone.
Watch it.
Sean, we gotta leave that go.
You can't show your mother this.
Sean, you gotta let it go.
We gotta move it out farther into the street.
Maybe, no, we're fine.
Now he's shooting in his yard.
No, we're good, we're good.